Stóra-Skófell volcano update. Eruption continues. The fountaining continues at two locations within the eruptive fissure. Hot, juvenile and molten lava clots are being thrown to perhaps a few hundred meters in height, falling to the ground, coalescing, thereby forming lava flows and or pilling into the existing several-meter-high deposits, so-called spatter ramparts. According to Örvaldur Órarsson, a volcanologist and professor of volcanology at the University of Iceland, while the number of lava fountains is decreasing, they remain quite powerful, likely reaching heights of 75 to 150 meters, approximately the equivalent of 1 to 2 Hallgrímskirkja towers. This also suggests that the magma is more gaseous compared to previous eruptions. The ongoing eruption is the largest in the area since the autumn of 2023, the Icelandic Met Office reported. Model calculations estimate the volume of magma that flowed from Svartsengi into the Sun Nux crater series when the eruption started. The eruption continues northeast of Stóra-Skófell, with activity becoming more concentrated in one area north of the fissure. The lava continues to flow northwest in two main streams, though its progress has significantly slowed.